Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give you a low impact workout that needs no equipment. You can perform it in your house, in a room, and this is a full body program that will help you stretch, feel good about your body since we are in the lockdown and a lot of us find ourselves with no exercise. So this is a great way to include some and keep your muscles guessing what's coming. This will help you feel fresh, feel strong. So let's get started, but do not forget to stretch yourself. It is essential to open up those muscles so that they are ready to take the load. So you can perform these exercises one after the other as I'm doing in this video, or you can choose to perform 3 sets of each exercise and then progress into the second exercise. So it is all on you. This is a wonderful way to keep your body toned as well as preserve your muscles in this lockdown. So let's start with our first set, and it's a plank variation. So you have to do a tall plank and we'll do shoulder taps, 10 repetitions on each side. Make sure you're using your core to perform this movement. Let's get into our second set, which is Superman's, and you're going to perform 10 repetitions on each side as I'm performing here. So another thing I want to tell you for this set is if you want to increase the resistance and you have a resistance band in your house, so you can actually include it in this exercise. This exercise works on your back. It also works on your core because you're maintaining your balance through your core, your legs, your arms, shoulders, everything is being worked on in this exercise. So here is an example how you can add resistance band in this exercise. So if you have it, go for it. If you are a beginner, now do without the resistance band for a while, and once you get used to it, include it in your exercise routine. So now the third exercise is also a variation of Superman. In this you are laying down on your stomach, the floor, and you are using your stomach to bring your arms and legs up at the same time. So here you can increase the intensity by holding on for longer, and you will feel it in your back, your glutes, and of course your core that is working to maintain that balance. So the next exercise is plank pulls. In this you're going to be in a tall plank and you're going to pull the weight from one side to another in the opposite direction. So what you can do if you do not have any weight in your house, you can actually fill up a water bottle and use it as a weight, or a backpack, or some heavy book, or something that can be slided easily. The next exercise is side raise in a tall plank. So this exercise requires a lot of balance, so do not hurry and perform it nicely. And if you are feeling adventurous enough, you can even try to raise your leg on the same side as your raised arm, and make sure you have plenty of balance and confidence. And yes, if you can, you will be actually in a star pose. So if you have the strength and if you have the stamina to hold this pose, I would encourage you to go ahead and try it. The next exercise is a movement based exercise. It also tests your mobility. So perform it nicely and rotate on each side. As you can see in the video, I am trying to tell you, if you're new at this exercise, you can begin with just your leg rotation, and as you progress into this exercise, then you can start raising your hand and then you can go into a complete flow. So basically you can do anywhere between 10 to 12 repetitions on each side before we progress into our next exercise. So the next exercise is body weight squats, and I have my feet shoulder width apart. I've also used a chair behind me for support. So if you're used to doing squats, you can do it without the chair, and as you come up, you have to squeeze your glutes. And you can perform anywhere between 20 to 25 repetitions of these. So next exercise is ab cycle. So you have to just lay down on the floor and use your core to perform a bicycle kind of a movement. So all the while I would prefer you to see up because it helps in keeping your neck straight and you get the workout over your core and not on your neck. But if you are doing it for the first time, you can use the variation wherein you keep your head rested and you're just moving your legs. The next exercise is also for abs. With my head rested, I'm going to bring my legs up and pushing somewhat of my lower abdomen, and I'm going to try and touch my toes as far as possible on the ground, and this is going to work on my lower abs. And as you come up, you raise your legs, you're going to inhale, and as you go down, exhale, and you're going to feel the pressure in the middle and lower abs. We will perform anywhere between 10 to 15 reps of each exercise alternatively, and that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this workout, and do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel for more.